Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to make a very good and authentic lemon sweet and sour pickle at home. If you did not subscribe my channel yet, please do so and click the bell icon to get the updates on my new videos. To start to make a lemon pickle, I took 6 lemons, medium-sized lemons, which I washed and cleaned it. Now we need to cut the lemons into small squares. So I am taking out the end parts of the lemon and cutting into a small cubes as shown. While cutting the lemon, if I find some seeds coming out, so I'm taking that out, and it's not really that you need to take all the seeds out. Once it's coming out automatically, I'm taking it out. Otherwise, I'm putting in the lemon itself. So now our all lemons are cut. Now I'm adding 4 teaspoon of salt into it. Mix the salt well with the lemons now, and then we need to marinate the lemons for 24 hours so that the lemons become a little tender. So mix well and cover with the lid and put aside for 24 hours, and in the middle just stir a little bit and let it stand for 24 hours in total. For the tadka, we need 10 gram of ginger and 4 to 5 garlic cloves, which I already grinded in a food processor. So finally it looks like this. Now for tadka, take a pan, add 1 big tablespoon of mustard oil in it. Now we need to heat the oil very well so that the smell of mustard oil goes out. So once the oil is heated up, now we are adding a ginger and garlic into it. Saute a little bit for few seconds. Then add 2 tablespoons of cumin seeds, also known as jeera. Then add 3 tablespoons of mustard seeds, also known as rye. Mix well. Then add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Then add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, known as haldi. Then add 2 teaspoons of black pepper, also known as kali mirch. Mix well and saute for a few seconds. Then add half teaspoon of ajwain, also known as carom seeds. Mix well. Then add 1 cup of sugar into it. The sugar I choose to add 1 cup to be a little sweet and sour pickle. If you like the more sweet pickle, then you can add more sugar. Then add 2 tablespoons of vinegar into it. Mix well and cook until the sugar dissolved well with the masala. Saute for a minute or so. When all masala is properly mixed, now is the time to add the lemons into it. add the lemons, which we already add the salt into it, and marinate for 24 hours. Mix the marinated lemons well with the masala which we just made. In total now we need to cook for 5 to 7 minutes until the lemons get tender. While making this lemon pickle, you need to ensure that your cooking range setting should always be on the medium, because every cooking range works differently, so you can increase or decrease the flame or setting accordingly. So after 7 minutes I'm checking the pickle, and while cutting one lemon on the side with my spatula, it's cut very well, and now the lemons are tender and the pickle is cooked very well. I'm keeping a pan on the side so that it cool down at room temperature. Once it's cooled down, our pickle is ready, which you can store in a glass vessel, and it stay longer of more than a year, and you can eat this and enjoy this pickle with any kind of naan, roti. If you like this recipe, please like the video and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get the updates on my new videos.